Senaboo, thanks for helping me paint my toenails. Good job, baby. All right, new year means everyone's making different sorts of resolutions, and a big one is usually save money. So I figured I'd do a save that money, do it yourself at home, 3 of my favorite do it yourself beauty hacks. Oh, I know. Not going to the spa is gonna be so hard. I'm sorry, you wanna go play? Go ahead. But here's 3 things that I love to do at the house. Number 1 is paint my own nails. It's an easy way to save money. I don't love sitting and getting my nails done, so I love finding good brands that I like and just buying some nail polishes and having them on hand. So Sally Hansen sponsored this video, and they have a new Good Kind Pure 100% vegan nail polish line that's amazing. Second is face. Give yourself a facial at the house. And then third is smoothies. I know it sounds silly, but I spend a lot of money on smoothies every couple days, and I ended up just investing in some really good products that are great for beauty and wellness from the inside out. And so I've been trying to make smoothies more often these days. Let's start with nail polish. I got my partner here, Senaboo, which color should I do? That one? All right, verdict is in. It's a pretty close match. You gonna help me? Oh, prosciutto's coming in to help too. We've got a lot of little helpers over here. Now I'm putting on the top coat. Oh, okay, down goes the camera. Okay, to finish my thought, 16 free formula, 100% vegan, 75% naturally derived ingredients. Really awesome to have a clean product. They have a top coat and a hardener as well to finish off the array of colors. The color that Senna chose is Pinky Clay. So that's the color Senna chose, Pinky Clay, that I painted my toenails, and then that's the top coat that I used. But they have 30 colors. I did the earthy, but I added a couple other colors. That's Pinky Clay that's on my toes now. It's just got such a great color to it. Senaboo, thanks for helping me paint my toenails. Good job, baby. All right, now we're gonna go backwards in the day, basically, because I started off with my first tip, which was some fun face products. Flashback to this morning when I got out of the shower and started this vlog. Let's go. At home mask facial. It's a really good way to save some money. Prosciutto. Okay, here's where I keep all my favorites. I just took this one out because I'm gonna do this guy right now. The Dual Phase Skin Reviving Treatment Pads by Tula. I love this one. Some favorites are the Ole Henriksen Fat Glow, and I really love this one too. there you have it. There's my 3 favorite beauty hacks for at home. Save some money, do it yourself. Huh. Is that yummy? You got some chicken and some macaroni with broccoli? Yummy! All right. Thanks again to Sally Hansen for sponsoring this post. And I linked a whole bunch of goodies down below for you guys. So check it out. The nail polish, the face stuff. I linked all the other face products that I use and love too on there. I'll do a video follow-up of my skincare routine soon. If you guys want to see it, let me know. And of course the smoothie stuff. So I hope you enjoy it. DM me on Instagram, comment on my Instagram, and let me know what your favorites were if you try any of them. All right, love you guys lots. Bye. Say bye, Santa. Bye.